You love the idea of cooking everything from scratch, right? Super trendy right now. I get it. But you're barely surviving with the frozen pizza. So don't put that pressure on yourself. You don't have to do it all right now, but do a little bit because that's the only way you're going to start. Start with 15-minute project today. And here's a great one to try. Just because you're not quite ready to make the yogurt completely from scratch doesn't mean you can't take one step forward and learn how to sweeten it yourself at home. Buy a carton of plain Greek yogurt and use ingredients you already have in your pantry to make a sweetened treat for yourself. This way, you'll have better control over the quality of the ingredients, and you'll save a little bit of money too. Maybe next week you'll make the yogurt from scratch, or maybe you'll tackle a homemade granola recipe. But for today, the little steps you've made are amazing.